4 oils to apply to your hair that will fix all of your hair problems. These natural oils will add moisture and shine to your hair. They will nourish the scalp, helping to reduce dry, flaky skin. They will help to get rid of dandruff, and they will aid faster and healthier hair growth, all without the use of expensive cosmetics or dangerous chemicals. To apply any of the treatments below, massage a bit of room temperature or slightly warmed oil to your roots and scalp, working it down to the tips like you would with conditioner. Put on a shower cap and let it soak in for about half an hour, then wash your hair using an all-natural shampoo. 1. Argan Oil. Argan oil is derived from the fruit of the native argan tree in Morocco. It's become famous for helping to create gorgeous locks, often used in beauty salons. As it's filled with antioxidants, vitamin E and other vitamins, along with omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids which help to nourish dry, coarse or damaged hair. When applied externally, it can help boost cell production, which results in healthier hair as well as healthier skin, which is why you may have noticed that among the list of ingredients in high-end beauty products, argan oil is often included. Unlike lots of those expensive styling agents that can cause long-term damage to hair due to the many chemicals contained in it, argan oil enriches the hair, nourishing it with its beneficial compounds and repairing the damage. Before you use any styling tool, apply 2 to 3 drops of argan oil using your hand, palm first. Then use a brush or comb to distribute it evenly throughout your hair from roots to tips, which coat it with the oil, keeping it protected from heat damage. 2. Pomegranate seed oil. Say goodbye to frizz and revitalize fine or thinning hair with pomegranate seed oil. It can practically work miracles thanks to its rich amount of punicic acid, which revitalizes hair, leaving it healthier and with a shinier, thicker appearance while also protecting against environmental damage. It's able to penetrate deep into the hair follicles, getting them hydrated so that your hair will be smoother and softer without looking greasy. All you have to do is add a few drops to the palm of your hand and run it through your hair, from your scalp to your ends for good results. 3. Avocado oil. Avocados are famous for their healthy fats, and they also contain proteins and amino acids along with vitamins A, D, E and B6 that can help repair damaged hair while preventing future problems like frizz and breakage. The oil can even help your hair grow faster too, as when it's massaged onto the scalp, all of those nutrients get into the hair follicles, providing them with the nourishment they need to produce hair and make it thicker too. To use avocado oil for deep conditioning and hair growth, gently massage a liberal amount of it onto your scalp and hair and then comb it through using a wide tooth comb. Put a shower cap on or wrap your head in a towel while it works its magic for a couple of hours. Afterward, shampoo as usual and rinse well. 4. Rosemary Essential Oil. If you're worried about getting gray hair, turn to Rosemary Essential Oil as it will help to darken the grays, essentially covering them up over time. It's best used on hair that's naturally a dark color. If you're blonde, you probably don't want your gray hair to turn darker than the rest of your natural color. To use it for this purpose, combine a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil, work it in from the scalp to the ends of your hair and then allow it to sit for about 2 hours. Wrapped in a towel or in a shower cap, shampoo and condition as normal afterwards. Rosemary essential oil should be diluted with a carrier oil, such as extra virgin olive oil. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.